0.52.
Yeah, let's try the U-turn this time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a little better. Okay, now brake, and then maybe take it a little more. Use up a little more
It went
track.
up. Yeah. So you just have to go a little wide, I guess.
Yeah, and then this one I can, yeah, there's the apex right there. Okay, that was better. Accelerate, brake, accelerate. Yeah, that's better.
That was a lot better.
So you have to brake a little bit, now get on the gas.
Good apex.
Good apex. Oh, I got the feedback.
Good job braking later.
Right on. Thank you so much. I paid for that shit, you know? At least it's paying off. Was that the lap?
After this turn, I think that was your best.
150.99.
There you go.
Oh, nice. That's good.
Just by 0.1, 0.01.